Wakwas, Sante Tung, Osio, Taleo Wohali, Dakwadoa. Hi, my name is Wesley Two Eagles, and I am the owner of Two Eagles Legacy, and I am a mixed blood Chero and Hakka Nottoway Native American from Virginia. That's where my tribe is located. And I'm starting this Patreon campaign because I would like to try to get some patrons to help support me while I finish some short-term goals that I have for my business. A little bit of background, and I'll show you my business. This is a picture of me and my regalia right here. But my business is Two Eagles Legacy, Native American Crafts. I know how to make over 2,000 different types of crafts. I also travel and do some cultural diversity lectures when I can for businesses and schools. Back in 2011, I was in a horseback accident where I was thrown because a goose spooked my horse, and I got thrown and I hit my head, and the vitreous in my eyes detached, and eventually my diabetes took over and created diabetic retinopathy. And between May of 2011 and about September of 2015, I have gone through 14 eye surgeries, 12 laser surgeries, and 2 vitrectomies. This right here is a picture of a normal eye. This is a picture of both of my eyes after the laser surgeries and the vitrectomies. They've killed over 30,000 blood vessels in each of my eyes. And I was blessed to get most of my vision back, although there are times where I strain my eyes or have problems with my eyes going blurry where I have to seriously rest them. And I am trying to rebuild my business to hopefully make it a full-time business again, which I do this full-time. It's just my income is unsteady sometimes, and we struggle because of my health issues and everything else. But these are my 2 ideas. One of them I'm slowly doing by selling what items I have in stock on my eBay account, my eBay store. So here's all the categories I have items, and all the things I have on eBay appear in my store and on my website. The next section that I'm doing on my website is custom orders, where people can order things based on how they want it. And this is harder for me because of keeping up with orders in a timely manner. Hopefully I can expand and hire more Native Americans to help me make the crafts, because I am a registered Native. I advertise my items as authentic Native American made, and so therefore I have to hire other state or federal recognized Native Americans in order to sell the things that I make advertised as authentic Native American made. I'm slowly working on these pages to bring them back. Also have photo galleries of my stuff. But what I'm really looking forward to doing and getting the patrons for is my series of instructional videos. Now, I've already started building the pages, but I have not completed all the videos. I finished 3 of them, and I have at least a minimum of 30 videos planned. The idea behind this is not only to teach other Native Americans how to make regalia items for their cultural purposes, but anybody that, respects and appreciates Native culture, but also those that are fighting addictions. A few years ago, I taught a man who was addicted to cigarette smoking how to quit smoking by replacing that urge to smoke with doing something as simple as doing beadwork around feather quills. Then I taught him dream catchers and other crafts, and he is still smoke-free today. So there'll be two sections to this video. It'll be one where they can purchase the videos and legally own it to stream it, or they can become a member and get access to all the content that I will have available. Now, right now, the pricing is set, even though it's not fully activated yet. The pricing is going to depend on how long it takes me to film these videos, what the production costs will cost, advertising, and so on and so forth. What I'm asking for patrons for is to help me have the time to pay my bills and create these videos. So that's what I'm in need of is, like in the old days of Michelangelo, Raphael, and stuff, they had patrons that provided them with time and money to have their living expenses as well as supplies to do what they did for a living. So I am just looking for help so that I can make more time from my crafting business so I can focus on producing these videos for everyone that wants to learn. And I will also offer massive discounts for rehab centers that want to purchase accounts in bulk so that they can have access to their patients to have access to these videos. The idea is every time they had a craving for whatever they're addicted to, then they would sit down and make something. So that is my idea. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And I am willing to accept any type of donations. Even if it's $1 a month, $12 a year, I would appreciate it. If you could do more than that, then I will be even more grateful for that. I've been trying to get this idea down and activated for the last 2 years, but because of my bills, my medical expenses, and everything else and life pressures, taking care of a family of 5, it's just really hard for me to do this by myself. So thank you for your time, and I hope this all works out. And thank you very much for being so generous. Take care.